Hello, this is MHF Unit8-9 bonus video. The question we are doing is on page 205, question 11. The question is, the Scalability family members are very competitive card players. They keep score using a complicated system that incorporates positives and negatives. Maya's score for the last game night could be modeled by the function Sx equals x multiply x minus 4 multiply x minus 6, which x less than 10 and less belongs to whole numbers, where x represents the game number. So the first question is let us to find after which games was Maya's score equal to 0. So firstly, we should write the equation 0 equals x multiply x minus 4 multiply x minus 6. And according to the equation, we can know that there are three answers for this equation, which is x equals 0, x equals 4, x equals 6. Because x minus 4 equals 0 and x minus 6 equals 0. And there is a sentence that x represents the game number. So x equals 0 cannot be the answer for this question. So the answer for this first question is x equals to 4 and 6. The second question is, after which game was Maya's score equals to -5? So firstly, we should write the equation -5 equals x multiply x minus 4 multiply x minus 6. And then we need to use the graphing calculator to have a look when s is equal to -5. What is the number of x? And we can easily find that when y is equal to -5, x is equal to 5. So the answer for the second question is x equal to 5. For the third question, they asked us to find after which game was Maya's score 16. So firstly, we should write the equation 16 equals to x multiply x minus 4 multiply x minus 6. And we should use the graphing calculator again and have a look. When y equals to 16, what is the answer of the x? And we can know that when y is equal to 16, x is represented to 2. So the answer for the third question is x equals to 2. For the last question, they asked us to draw a sketch of the graph of Sx if x belongs to real number. Explain why this graph is not a good model to represent Maya's score during this game night. According to the question here, they said x belongs to whole number and x represents the game number. And this graph is x belongs to real number. The graph is not a good model to represent Maya's score because the question led us to do the whole number, which means we cannot do like 2.2 or 3.5 because this is not a whole number. But real number can do this kind of numbers, so they are not the good. This graph is not a good model. And also it says x less than 10. but the game number cannot be negative. But if we draw the graph like this one, we can know that there is something under 0, so which means this is negatives. And there are some like negative 1.6, which is not a whole number. So for this question, for this graph, is not a good model to represent Maya score during this game night. Thank you.